Chanel.
Yeah.
I basil.
Oh yeah.
I learned from him.
Some water in there. Went out to his garden to grab some fresh herbs. Kaprao basil. Cooking oil. Chili sauce. Picked up at the local market. Fish sauce. Alright, when they're cooking, they don't measure. The oyster sauce. Oh, that smells so good. This cooking is all old school style. I know. There isn't no formal training. It's just he learned from his parents. Oh, that smells so good. Kaprao. It's one of my favorite Thai herbs. So good for you too. So nutritious. Take a close look at that. Pad Krapow Gai. Gai means chicken. Pad Krapow Gai. Very popular dish here too. Little water. Oh, that basil just smells so good. Look at that. The free range chicken, because they're free range, the meat is a little harder. Good. A lot of Thai cooking, a lot of times too, is very intuitive. Depends how you feel at the moment, right? Adding a little of that soya sauce, fermented soy sauce. Oh, that smells so good. Well, I hope you enjoyed my father-in-law's version of making this holy basil chicken stir-fried dish. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and share it. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any videos. We'll see you guys in the next video. Breakfast, alright. We're gonna go eat.
Krapow Gai.
This is our breakfast this morning. Krapow Gai, snake fish soup, I'm not sure exactly what that's called. Duck egg omelette. Look how yellow that yolk is. Very, very yellow compared to chicken egg. And batu, the fried mackerel. Oh my god, that looks so good.